Welcome to Truality.finance. Hey there, I'm G.D. Alexander Esquire, the one and only person behind Truality.finance. This isn't some faceless corporation or a massive financial conglomerate, because I know how it can portray that image. No, it's just me. I'm here to tell you a little bit about myself and why I started Truality.finance. I know what it's like to struggle with money, to worry about bills, and to feel like you're not doing enough. I've been in your shoes. I've worked 4 to 5 part-time jobs which wasted every waking moment of my woke life. I know how it feels. That's why I created Truality. I believe the best way to help others is to share what I've learned. Make financial info easy to understand and build a community where everyone feels welcome to learn and grow, no matter where they're starting from. At Truality.finance, you'll find real stories and practical tips from someone who's been in your shoes. You'll get real talk about saving, investing, spending smarter, and building a safety net without all the corporate filter and hidden agendas. If any of that sounds good to you, then hit subscribe and follow along. Stop by Truality.finance. I can use your support, and I deeply appreciate it also, so thank you. So stop by Truality.finance and check out my affiliate products page and also sign up for my newsletters. And I don't want to sound too cliche, but trust me, what I have to offer literally stems from simple logic and common sense. I'm here to help you every step of the way. Remember, at Truality.finance, you can never lose, only gain.